Hello everybody and welcome to About.
Today we're gonna show you guys how to get free Google Drive storage. Yes, you heard it right, free unlimited storage on Google Drive.
It's so simple, even a child would understand.
Google Drive is a free storage website that you can store videos, files, stuff like that.
But it only goes up to 15 gigabytes. But we are going to fix that for you.
To start, you need to create a new Google account. You can name it like video stores or something like that, and put in the address and then like create the account. You can do it how many times you want, and each Google account will have 15 gigabytes of storage. You can name the accounts after what you're gonna store there, like photos, files, something like that, so you get it stored up. Now you got free Google Drive storage and you can store whatever you want on it.
Thank you for watching this video. We will be back after the holiday, so don't forget to hit that notification bell and subscribe and like the video.
And comment down below what you want to see next time. Bye bye.